Welcome back to AUTOWONDR. Conquer every terrain and embrace the wild like never before. Introducing the 2026 Jeep Wrangler 4x4, built for adventure, engineered for durability, and designed for those who refuse to follow the beaten path. With enhanced off-road capability, cutting-edge technology, and legendary Jeep heritage, the new Wrangler is ready for anything. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler 4X4 stays true to its iconic design while introducing modern refinements. A redesigned 7-slot grille, high-clearance steel bumpers, and new LED lighting ensure a commanding presence on and off the road. The available Sky One Touch power top lets you go open air with a single push, while removable doors and a fold-down windshield keep adventure at your fingertips. 17 to 20-inch rugged all-terrain wheels provide superior grip on any surface. Available in new exclusive colors including Trailblazer Green and Midnight Sand, the Wrangler remains an off-road legend with a tougher, more aerodynamic stance than ever before. Take control with Jeep's Selec-Trac 4x4 system, Rock-Trac, for ultimate traction, and Tru-Lok electronic locking differentials for precision in extreme conditions. Advanced driver assist features including adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, and off-road camera view ensure maximum confidence whether navigating the city or tackling the backcountry. Inside, the Wrangler 4x4 blends rugged durability with modern luxury. Premium water-resistant upholstery, a redesigned Uconnect 5 infotainment system with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep you connected. Heated front seats, an all-new premium Alpine sound system, and added storage space enhance every journey. Choose from multiple powertrains including the 3.6L Pentastar V6, a 2.0L turbocharged inline-4, and the electrified 4xe plug-in hybrid delivering 375 horsepower. For ultimate power, the 6.4L Hemi V8 Rubicon 392 roars with 470 horsepower, launching from 0-60 in just 4.5 seconds. More power, more efficiency, more adventure. Starting at $38,000, the 2026 Jeep Wrangler 4x4 is the ultimate off-road machine, designed for the fearless. With legendary 4x4 capability, next-level technology, and customizable options, it's built for those who love to explore. Your adventure starts now. Where will your Wrangler take you next?